Detail engineering survey services in Laxmi Nagar are essential for any construction project. These services play a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy and efficiency of the project. Laxmi Nagar, being a bustling commercial area in Delhi, requires meticulous planning and execution to ensure that all engineering aspects are taken care of. Scon Design is a company that specializes in providing detail engineering survey services in Laxmi Nagar and has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. Scon Design offers a comprehensive range of detail engineering survey services in Laxmi Nagar. Their team of experienced surveyors utilizes advanced technology and equipment to gather accurate data that is crucial for the success of any construction project. They take into account various factors such as land elevation, soil conditions, and existing structures to provide detailed engineering surveys that meet the specific requirements of their clients. One of the key benefits of availing detail engineering survey services in Laxmi Nagar from Scon Design is their attention to detail. They understand the importance of precision in engineering surveys and ensure that all measurements and calculations are accurate. This attention to detail helps in minimizing errors and ensures that the final design and construction are done with utmost precision. This, in turn, leads to cost savings and timely completion of the project. Scon Design also offers value-added services along with their detail engineering survey services in Laxmi Nagar. They provide 3D modeling and visualization services, which help clients visualize the final outcome of their construction project. This allows for better decision-making and ensures that all stakeholders are on the same page regarding the design and layout of the project. In conclusion, detail engineering survey services in Laxmi Nagar are crucial for the success of any construction project. For any construction project, Laxmi Nagar detail engineering survey services are necessary. These services are essential for assuring the project's correctness and effectiveness. Laxmi Nagar, a busy commercial district in Delhi, necessitates careful design and execution to guarantee that all engineering considerations are taken into account. Scon Design is a business that focuses on offering detail engineering survey services in Laxmi Nagar and has made a name for itself in the field. In Laxmi Nagar, Scon Design provides a wide variety of detail engineering survey services. Their team of skilled surveyors uses cutting-edge tools and technology to collect precise data that is essential to the success of any building project. They consider a variety of factors, including: for any construction project, Laxmi Nagar detail engineering survey services are necessary. These services are essential for assuring the project's correctness and effectiveness. Laxmi Nagar, a busy commercial district in Delhi, necessitates careful design and execution to guarantee that all engineering considerations are taken into account. Scon Design is a business that focuses on offering detail engineering survey services